Are you feeling a little stiff? Start the new year feeling better, sleeping better, living better. I'm teaching a 3-part series that's going to transform your body, your mind, and your life. I'm teaching easy, deep stretches designed to alleviate pain and increase flexibility. I'll guide you through a series of stretches and techniques that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Don't let pain prevent you from living your best life. Start 2023 feeling better, sleeping better, and living better. Register for all 3 classes at a discounted bundle rate or sign up for the single sessions. Ultimate Workout, January 14th, the 21st, and the 28th. The 14th, Transformational Raja Deep Stretch. The 21st, a little Yoga 101 to relieve pain with easy, deep stretch techniques. January 28th, Transformational Yoga for flexibility, balance, and deep sleep. Experience the ultimate mind-body connection session for pain relief and relaxation. Looking forward to seeing you at this amazing transformational 3-part series. Sign up today. Space is limited. I look forward to helping you live better, sleep better, and feel better. Blessings, blessings, blessings. Namaste.